Welcome back. In this new practice, we're going to use a new rule called angle side angle. What does it look like? Angle side angle look like this. Two triangles, corresponding angles, first pair congruent, included side congruent, second pair of angles congruent. Now this is angle side angle. All right, let's practice. To save your time, I already written down all this given. We start with the first one. From the first one, WU, segment WU parallel to YV. What can we say? What can we find out? We can find out angle UWX is congruent to angle VYZ. Let's go ahead and label it. Use a different color. We can use dots. UWX is here. We're going to put one dot. VYZ right here. Why is that? Remember, two parallel lines cut by a transversal, corresponding angles congruent. Therefore, I'm going to write down here that is 1 is given. 2 says corresponding angles postulate. Corresponding angles postulate. All right, let's look at the third one. It is also given, so we're going to label here as 3. Then look at the third one, says XU is parallel to ZV. XU is here and parallel to ZV. I don't have the mouse that actually can show you when I'm moving my mouse, so when I'm speaking, I hope you can follow me by using your pencil and just sketch something, okay? All right, let's continue. I can say from here, I find out angle UXW is congruent to angle VZY. All right, let's go ahead and label it. UXW is here. VZY is here. All right, and once again, we use when two parallel lines cut by transversal, corresponding angles are congruent. So 2 and 4 use the same reason. All right, let's go 5. 5 tells us congruent. Two segments are congruent. And I labeled here for you. We have these 2 blue tick marks. Tell us 2 segments congruent. Now, let's see what we have. We have an angle, and we have its included side. We also have another angle. Remember earlier what we reviewed? Angle, side, angle. Now we can copy down the last one here and write down this as your 6. And then this is a 5, this is a 6. 6, I can say we finished to prove this two triangle congruent by using angle, side, angle, triangle congruence postulate. We are done here. Happy learning.